How to turn off story notification on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you turn off story notification on Instagram. In order to turn off story notification on Instagram, you need to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that the app is completely up to date. And after the app is completely up to date, what next you want to do is here on this field, you then simply need to click on the initials on the page or the profile icon, after which tap onto the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen. And then here you want to go to the notification section from the list. And when you go to the notification section, there you have these post, comments and stories. You want to click on that. And then you have these section where you could find these stories options. You simply need to go ahead and toggle the button or turn it off. And that is how you'll be able to turn off story notification on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.